Hello and welcome to PHOTOPLAY Paper. I'm Amy Sonneman and I get to spend the next few minutes introducing you to the Wicker Lane Collection designed by Michelle Coleman. This collection is filled with bright colors, fun patterns, designed to showcase your family memories. In this collection we will find 6 double-sided 12x12 papers, an ephemera pack, elements sticker sheet, plus stamps with coordinating dies. Let's take a look at each of the pieces in this collection. This collection kit includes a 12x12 element sticker sheet and 2 of each of the pattern papers in this collection. The element sticker sheet includes over 45 stickers, including cameras, couches, furniture, frames, as well as lots of different banners and sentiments, as well as this beautiful 12-inch scalloped border at the bottom. This paper is called In This House. It includes 12 3x4 cut-aparts with some beautiful phrases, icons, as well as journaling spots. This is one of my very favorites. A little bit of crazy, a little bit of loud, a whole lot of love. That kind of sounds like my family. This one is fun too. Family is like music. Some high notes, some low notes, but always a beautiful song. I love the font used on the back of this paper with phrases like my tribe, happiness, cousins in chaos, brother, sister, happiness, family time, aunt and uncle, grandma, grandpa, fun, good times, enjoy. Perfect for all of your family memories. This would also be great for a family reunion. Gather Together offers a stunning bouquet of bright and beautiful flowers on a white background. It also offers a 2-toned orange stripe on the back that would be perfect for matting photos on layouts or even as elements on a card. This paper is called Dad's Flannel. The flannel pattern includes bright pink, teal, white, yellow, and so pretty mixed and matched with the pink variegated colors on the back of this paper. We Are Family features this great clothesline, but not like your typical clothesline that has clean clothes hanging on it. It actually has all kinds of fun family things, including teddy bears, headphones, Game Boy controllers, cameras, paints, guitars, books, golf clubs. I can't forget the dirty clothes bag, plus teapots and teacups, butterflies, and so much more. If you look closely, you'll even see a subtle grid background. Flip that paper over and you will get this lovely navy blue background with a darker navy set of frames. You could easily take your X-Acto knife and cut out a few of the centers of the frames and add either elements behind them, stamped images, or even photos. Our house offers a new twist on the diagonal stripe pattern. This is so popular right now. I love the fact that it is broken up with these fun scattered polka dots in between each set of stripes. So fun. The back of this paper includes a yellow background with bright white polka dots. This paper is called Moments and it features a fun and whimsical selection of cameras on a triangle grid background. The back of this paper features a teal background with white polka dots. Perfect for layering any of the elements in this collection. The Wicker Lane stamp set includes 3 sayings, a frame, 2 beautiful butterflies, and these lovely flower elements. The sayings include, "You are my kind of crazy," "Let's be weird together," and "I love my tribe." The stamp set also has a coordinating set of dies that are sold separately. The ephemera pack includes 26 fun icons, including quotes, tags, tabs, titles, banners, frames, phrases, and more. Some of my very favorite ephemera pieces are the mom and dad quotes. I'll just read a few of the dad quotes. A little bit of dirt never hurt anyone. Go ask your mother. Do I need to turn this car around? You're grounded until you're 30. Money doesn't grow on trees because I said so. Have any of you ever heard that? I think I've heard a few of those. The mom quotes say, "What part of no don't you understand? I don't care who started it. Your face is going to freeze that way. Your hands are not broken. Beds are made for sleeping, not jumping. No one said life was fair. Eat your vegetables. I don't know is not an answer. Because I said so, that's why." I just had to share a few of the quotes from the mom and dad quote ephemera pieces because they were just so cute. Lots of parts and pieces to mix and match in all of your paper crafting projects. Thank you so much for stopping by PHOTOPLAY Paper and spending a little time discovering the Wicker Lane Collection. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a message, click the like button below, and share with a friend who might enjoy this collection too. Thanks for watching and have a great day.